Hello, welcome to another episode of Mark 2 Golf Stories, another one here with a lemon. Today we're going to be giving the engine bay a bit of a paint because whoever painted it last time didn't key it and all the paint's been flaking off. So my dad's giving it a sand around here, sand over there, sand under the scuttle, so we're going to give it a prime and give it a paint. So without further ado, let's do it. So like I say, my dad's giving it a good sanding round here. He's got all the gunk off it, got it back to all the metal, got rid of all the flaking paint. Same down here. Most of it's been done in the scuttle. But first thing we're going to do is basically give us a quick rub down with some white spirit. Same from this side. And then we can give it a quick prime. So let's do that. So we're just giving this a wipe down just to get rid of any sort of loose bits of dirt, anything that's going to stop the paint and primer sticking to the bodywork. Still more needs to come off here, actually, have a look of it. Brilliant. As you can see, it's just flaking off all over the fucking place. Give it a bit more of a sand and then come back, give it another wipe, I think.
Right in that corner there. Dig the way around, dig into that corner. There. What are you using?
White spirit.
Does this one sand? Well, this one's sanding down.
I need a bit of a sand. Has it been sanded at all? No.
No.
Right, yeah, it all needs a bit of a, just a quick one, just to sort of key it.
Yeah. You're okay doing the time, right?
Do that again then. You what? So I thought it had sort of been sanded, but it hasn't. So it's going to go over all of this and give it a bit of a sanding. Yeah, it's taking the shine off it, so that's working.
Oh, you got it.
It's going to go a bit above it.
Got that one. Good, isn't it? Go.
Okay. Let's give these a bit of a paint.
Too early.
Something like that.
How's it looking?
Looks all right.
Oh, it's good, yeah.
Yeah, one coat.
No difference.
That's not bad, is it? Time for another coat. That's like a million times better already.
Back a bit. What are you doing about a patch down there?
Where? Done it.
A black one.
What black patch? Where?
The corner.
Oh, I didn't even see that. I'll have to do that as well, yeah. Well, there we go. That's looking a lot better now. There's a lot more to do with this. We've got some painting to do, obviously, under the scuttle. That's what got to be done. Some more on that side of the car. But yeah, thanks for joining me on this journey. Plenty more to do with the Lemon. Still got to take the pistons out, have a look at the piston rings. So yeah, lots to do. Thanks for watching this video. Drop a like, leave a comment, click on subscribe. Thanks a lot. See you in another video again soon. Bye bye.